All right, let's talk about your most accurate forecast here as we are kicking off our Monday after a very nice weekend. Temperatures this morning starting off cooler in the 50s and 60s across the valley. Certainly cooler than yesterday's afternoon temperature. We made it into the low 90s, but again, we've managed to cool off nicely. We're now down to 58 in Chandler. It's 63 in Scottsdale. Anthem, good morning. You're checking in right at 64, and we still have those 50s across the West Valley. Laveen, you're checking in right at 57 and 58 right now in Peoria. Some changes moving in across our skies, though. A little bit of a difference that you'll notice as you step outside. Those are clouds moving across on satellite clouds and radar. These clouds are moving in from the west as we start to bring in a little bit of high level moisture ahead of this. You see that spin in the atmosphere on our water vapor imagery? That's a disturbance, an area of low pressure. It's tracking towards Yuma. Eventually, it's going to track right along southern Arizona and northern Mexico as we go into later today and tonight. That low will move across. It's going to bring some cooler air with it, but not much in terms of rain chances. At best, a slight chance of a few showers across southeast Arizona, but here in the valley, we're just going to see some cloud cover. Partly cloudy today, partly cloudy tomorrow. Tomorrow, a 10% chance of a stray shower along the Mogollon Rim, but the valley still looking too dry for any rain chances. But again, the clouds will be nice, and we'll get a drop in temperatures too over the next couple of days. Look at highs today across the state. No 90s anywhere. A high of 88 today in Phoenix, 87 down in Yuma, 80 in Kingman, and we're talking highs in the mid 60s along the Mogollon Rim today. Tomorrow along the rim in the 50s. Now across the valley, highs make it into the mid to upper 80s today. 30-year average is now 83, so we're still running above the average for this time of year, but overall not doing bad, and we're gonna get closer to average tomorrow. For Halloween, a high of 84 degrees, partly cloudy conditions, mid 80s for your Wednesday. Dry for Halloween, but cooler with those 80s throughout that 7-day forecast. I'll break down your Halloween hour by hour planner in just a bit.